Yeah, absolutely. So Consumers Energy has over 300 prescriptive measures, which basically means like you have this piece of equipment. These are the required efficiencies you have to make for this piece of equipment. If you make it, you have a set dollar amount for that equipment type. We have all of the savings calculations planned in the background, so you guys don't need to figure any of that out. And you get a set dollar amount for it. Now we have a large variety of prescriptive incentives, but we have around 45 prescriptive incentives for all various types of HVAC equipment. And then our custom incentives, so let's say you have a piece of equipment that is not covered by any of our prescriptive incentives. Crazy, I know. So we will look at your energy savings on a custom level. So basically what we need to be able to do is prove how much savings you can expect to have within a year for using this certain type of equipment. And in order for the incentive to qualify, the equipment does need to meet a 1 to 8 year payback period. And it's all on a case-by-case basis. So if you're looking through our application and you're like, I'm not doing anything that's in here, don't let that stop you from still reaching out to us and letting us take a look at your project, because we could very easily offer you a custom incentive for it.